What's up, Eric? How's it going, man?
Going. Pretty interesting evening with all the rain all of a sudden.
Yeah, but you did win last night. I didn't have a chance to come talk to you yesterday.
First round anyway.
Yeah, first round. How'd the car feel?
Good. Starting to get it figured out.
Give us a rundown on the new setup.
It's a Mike Lau 427 with a great big crank driven Procharger right now.
So you're making a lot more steam right now.
Yeah, like double.
How much power is the car making?
I can't say that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, like 450 horsepower, so the rear tires.
Uh-huh.
So, no,
yeah.
It's enough. Just that's the problem actually, is trying to figure out how to get all that down, and we have no idea what we're doing yet. So.
Gotcha.
And the biggest change, I guess, is actually went to Holley Dominator instead of the stock GM computer stuff. So that right there is just kind of a learning curve, because now I can put power wherever I want to, and never had that option before.
Well, the track will be, I guess it'll be a little different for you today compared to you. So it'll be basically like another whole other first round learning the track.
Probably, yeah. But I think it'll probably be pretty decent. We'll see.
Well,
hope so, because I'm gonna need. There's some big shooters in this thing.
No, yeah, there's some heavy hitters in small tire for sure.
Doubt, so.
Well, I'm glad to see the car did well first round at least.
Yeah, no, it actually worked really good. So that's the best it's ran so far actually this year. So.
Hell yeah. Well, good luck the second round.
Thank you.
We'll see you up there, man.
All right, sounds good.
Eric, I gotta talk to you about something.
What's that?
You got these new shirts,
yes,
and I've never heard anybody call you Crazy Legs.
Oh my God, everybody does.
I've never heard anybody say it.
Oh yeah.
So, Eric Crazy Legs Fox.
That's what everyone calls me.
All right.
I've had that since I was in college. So,
really?
Yeah, and everyone's like, oh, I mean, I can't deny it, so it's like, hey, might as well do it, you know?
There you go.
Yeah.
So how was your first round pass?
It was fun. We thought the track wasn't there at all, and actually some guys went right down it, so I just kind of eased off of it, and the other guy broke in the other lane. So
I didn't know if you just like you had issues or you.
No, I just was trying to make just a real easy pass. I could see in my mirror that he was back there, and I just thought, well, I ain't gonna try anything stupid. But
gotcha.
It sounds like everybody's really starting to pick up. So next round I better get after it a little bit here.
All right.
There's gonna be some struggle tonight for sure. Tom definitely fast, the Rambler, and then I guess the black '69 Camaro, which I don't know the car, but it was faster than me in the Dominator class thing here. So we'll see.
So who do you got second round?
S2000 over here. I'm not sure his name or anything like that. But
okay, gotcha. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you.
And see you up there.
All right, sounds good.
Yep. I went to go put a GoPro on that Fox buddy you're racing. I went to put it on the windshield. He's like, what's that? What are you thinking? I was like, I got one on the other car too. And I was like, wait, hang on. Actually, Eric did the same thing to me. Y'all think I think you're gonna lose just because I put it right there.
I'm just kidding.
It is, I mean, it does mean that. Sometimes, but not today. So.
Right.
If it does, I'm blaming you.
Hey! Wow. I want you to win, personally.
So do I.
Yeah! Heck yeah.
Is it a 521?
521. Crazy Legs moves on to the finals against Tom Dixon. Both are stupid fast, and it should be a damn good race. I'm going to talk to both of them right now.
Did you see that mile an hour?
Our finish line guy did. He said it 4 times on the walkie.
I was asleep. I don't know what that was wild.
I told him, I said, I've never seen him asleep that bad. I said, I was hoping to hell he'd run him down. I figured he could.
That wasn't a problem that fast.
I thought,
was
is
on
he
a
ever
mission.
going to leave the line?
That thing was, I could feel that traction control working. I'm in love with that shit.
that was funny.
It was working.
That was, I could tell you slept a little.
Oh my God.
By sleep, I mean, I don't know who all got sandwiches out of you.
Oh
made
no,
all
no,
this.
he bumped in, and it usually never bothers me. And I don't know, I just like, don't red light, and by the time I said that, I'm like green, I'm like, oh, might want to go.
Well, congrats, you're moving on to the finals.
Yeah, it's just me and Tom, right?
Yeah.
That'll be tough, actually.
That'll be a good race.
Yeah, we've done this before. I mean,
Really?
It was what, 2-3 years ago, we were in the finals together, and it was fender to fender, so.
Well, good luck. Your setup's a little different now.
Yeah.
So, good luck.
Yeah, power's not a problem, it's just trying to figure out what to do with it all.
Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Anyway.
Good luck in the final, man.
Thanks, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
523. Hell yeah. Congrats.
Not bad for an old independent rear car.
Right? There's old Crazy Legs himself. He's coming in hot.
He had a 007 light on me.
On you,
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he definitely treated me.
Well, Eric, this is the first time we've met in the winner's circle here. I've filmed you so many races over the past like 3 or 4 years.
I know.
This is the first time all the way to the finals, and you win. So
Hey, maybe
huge
that's
congrats, man.
Thank you.
There was a lot of fast cars. Like a pro mod was in this freaking class. Like, legit.
No, fortunately, Tom took him out for me. So.
Yeah, there you go. Well, I love the new setup on the car.
Yep, me too.
And it seems like it's working amazing right
Yeah,
now.
we turned it around finally. So.
So just keep it going, and congrats, man.
Thanks,
Huge
man.
congrats.
Thanks a lot, man.
Hell yeah. Go celebrate.
All right, well, thanks, man.